This 2021 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 371,371 A13 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 43 feet 4 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, slideout, spare tire kit, stove top burner, Colorado Detector, awning, TV, oven, skylight, air conditioning, LP detector, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 371,371 A13 is 12,764 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.